Build a firm foundation, number one. The foundation is really your mindset, right? There's an old adage, garbage in, garbage out. Well, I believe garbage in, garbage stays. So who are you surrounding yourself with? I believe if you hang out with 9 top producing agents, you're bound to be the 10th. So surround yourself with top producing agents. So number one, a firm foundation. Number two is what I call a marketing blueprint. So you have to be systematic. You have to build systems about your marketing and your content. If you're putting content out there for buyers, for sellers, you can't be shy in this industry. You have to let people know what you do for a living. And so putting yourself out there is number two. And so I call that the luxury blueprint. And then the third would be content marketing through video. I'm a big believer video's not going anywhere. Again, I do a lot of speaking on the national stages, and I'd say 10% of the audiences when I speak are consistently putting videos out there, so 90% aren't. So there's a huge opportunity for agents out there to attract versus chase. Nothing wrong with chasing and prospecting, but especially with high-end and luxury.